Hello everyone, this is Nancy from the Super Shop Fitting. Today we just finished the productions for a tire store. We take the 25 days to finish this project. Now let me introduce the more details for you. First, let me introduce the wall units for you. It has the two parts. The top is the wall panel. The bottom is the tray. You can display the tire sample. It is removable. You can show the tires for your clients. It has the 12 layers. For the tray, we could do the layers as you need. And it is for the 600 by 600 the tires. The dimensions also customized. The top is the wall panels. It with the hooks to fix the tiles. You can adjust the tiles distance to display the different tiles. Let me show you. This is the tiles. You can put it on the hooks to fix it. For these wall units, we also have the more big dimensions, like this one. It is the 1 meter by 1 meter. The same structures, just the dimensions is different. Next, let me introduce the drawer cabinet for you. The top part is made by the PVC carpet. The bottom is the metal tray for display the big tiles. It with the 4 angles to support the tiles. This one is the metal tray. We also can do the wooden tray like this one. And the drawer inside, we made the slot. You can put the different size tiles. It has the many space. And this wooden cabinet, the top is same with the last one, the drawer inside. Also can put the different size the tiles. And the inside also made the many layers for displaying the tiles. Next one, let me introduce the wooden wall units for you. It have the different distance. We could do it according to your tire size. The width, we also could do it according to your tire size. It is the double-sided wall units. Now let's see the back side. And the last one is the big wall units. The dimensions is customized. It also can fix the tiles by the hooks. The hooks can adjust the positions to the different size. Our big panel well fixed on the wall. The back side with the screw to fix it. That's all for this project. If you are interested in, please do not hesitate to contact us. For inquiring, we will send more details for you.